नमस्कार IC member, myself Adarsh Kumar, Principal Sant Mariam's School affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Affiliation number is 3430393. It is situated near Koyal River and behind the school. Namaskar IC member, myself Adarsh Kumar, Principal Sant Mariam's School affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Affiliation number is 3430393. It is situated near Koyal River. Behind the school there is a river and it is our main view. That is the emergency exit, and now we are moving forward for main gate. This is our entire process. Going to introduce our chairperson. He is our honorable chairman, sir Avinash Dev sir, and he is our manager, sir Mr. Sanjay Kumar Sinha sir office. So now we are moving inside the office. Move for further view. This is our assembly area. We use for cultural program also. That side our ground floor classroom. And that is first floor. That is first floor, remaining classroom. Our playgrounds. And sports teacher is here, Sir Manjit sir.
Namaste members, welcome to playground. This is our football ground. This is the badminton court for both boys and girls. To the cricket court. This is the net cricket session for the student. This is the kabaddi court. This is the kho-kho field for both boys and girls.
This is our library room. So now let us move to our library. And he is our librarian, Mr. Pintu Kumar Gupta sir.
Namaste IC members and principal sirs. Welcome to our library, Sant Mariam School of Daltonganj. This is our book accession register and this is book issue register. Now, 4 Hindi newspaper and 2. Now, this section is teachers reading area. Teachers sit here and study. And this section is new students sitting area. This section is new arrival books area. This section is NCERT books, course books and textbooks. And this section is dictionary. We have total number of dictionary 10, and this is English story and novels, encyclopedia, Hindi story and novels. This is course book up to secondary level. And this section is magazines. We have total numbers of magazines 32. Thank you.
chemistry lab, and now let us move to our chemistry lab. He is our chemistry lab in charge, sir, Gaurav Tiwari, sir.
Namaste IC members, Namaste principal sir. This is our chemistry lab which requires more than 700 square feet, which has too many capacities at a time. At a single time there is a 40 students can do the practical. Okay, there is too many chemicals like sodium acetate, ferrous sulfide, and there is too many equipments like a conical flask, round bottle flask, fluorescent flask, and there is the conical flask and the funnels. And there is also the measuring cylinders and volumetric flask, and there is a too many beakers and the measuring cylinders. And we have completely the flow of the water in a tape. Okay, and we have the too many acids to perform the all activities. Okay, and we have also the Bunsen burners and the other stands. We have also the stands test tubes and their wash bottles through which we can wash the other test tubes and many more things. And also we have the too many capacities chemicals and through which we can balance their every chemicals. Okay, and we have strengths, and there is some students activity is here. See here, there is too many students activity which is given in the wall, and also we have here the room temperature thermometers which is pasted here. Okay, and we have also there are too many posters like preparations of the sodium hydroxide, manufacturing of the glass, esters formation, alcohol, organic acids, alkynes, radioactive substances, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide cycles, and there is purifications of the waters, and there are preparations of the O2 liquefacients. And also we have the fire extinguisher through which we can extinguish the fires. And there is also the students' works like a modern periodic table which is given by the other scientists. Okay. We have stop registers in which we can maintain all the data which is present into our chemistry labs like this. See here. There is a round bottle flask which have the previous quantity 2 and the present quantity is 6, and the total quantity
Now this is our physics lab. Now let us move to our physics lab, and he is our physics lab in charge teacher, Mr. Sumit Kumar sir.
Namaste IC members and principal sirs. Myself Sumit Kumar. I am physics in charge of this lab, and I am a physics teacher for this school. We have many essential equipments in the physics lab, like the rheostat, battery charger, eliminators, resistance box, plug key, here Daniel cells, here Leclanche cells, here multimeters, transistors, here physical balance, voltmeters. All essential equipments are here for the students. Ohm's law apparatus, PN junctions, here Zener diode, here voltmeters, milliammeters, here galvanometers, and this is the meter bridge, and this is the potentiometers. These charts are here, like the gravitational explanation of the gravitational force, here moment of couples, dynamo, and also the chart papers of all the diagrams of the related to the light chapters. Okay, and PVC chart papers for the work in power, simple electrical circuits, X-ray, properties of magnets and electric generators, static electricity, different kinds of cells and electric generators. All the dual understandings for the students. Okay. Now also one chart related to the chapter the reflection to the prism. Okay. Now here also equipments like the vernier calipers, spring balance, resistors, fuse and magnets, and all equipments are here for the students. This is the stock register of the physics lab. All the equipments are entered here. This is the practical tables of the students. More than 40 students can do the articles at the same time. This is the optical lens. You find the focal length of the lens or focal length of the lens and the distance. We can find the distance of the object and the distance of the image. Okay. Lab requires the area more than 700 square feet. More than 700 square feet. Require more than 700 square feet area. Thank you. That's all.
Our biology lab, and now let us move to our biology lab. He is our biology lab teacher, and he is also as a vice principal of the school. Sir S.V. Saha sir. Now sir.
Namaste IC members, and this is very interesting lab because after trying when students come this lab, they are very pleased to see the various environmental things. Actually, students are really enjoy here, and by the way, I can inform you that it requires 700 square feet areas, and its capacity is for the 40 students. Let's see and watch the apparatus we have. These are the specimens like Marsinia and Sonazilla, and many plants and animals specimens are here, and come here. And this is the microscope, and so that students can watch the slides under the large lenses. And this is the dissection box, so that the students can operate the small animals and see the internal parts of the body. Let's see the chart. Many charts are here. These charts enforce the students to learn many things about the human beings, plants, microorganisms, and many other things. Let's see here. These are the human skeleton. This is the very interesting this one. Students are, when students come here, they are very pleased to see how their body structures are here. They can learn about the bones, joints. Here are the joints and name of the joints. Everything they can learn to see this human skeleton system. By the way, these are the specimens working at the table here. Students can watch the specimens, microscopes, and magic cylinders are here. These are the test tubes, and this is the tray. It is used to watch the things. And lastly, I can say that this is the rack for the conical flasks, beakers, funnels, round buttons, and pipettes are there. We have a well-maintained biology stock register. It contains records for the apparatus and many things well maintained here. And this is also satisfied by our principal how many pages it contains, and many materials and the apparatus are recorded here. That's all.
Lab, and now let us move to our math lab. They are the in charges of our lab.
Namaste IC members and principal sir. Myself Jayaprakash Prasad.
Namaste IC members and principal sir. Myself Prakash Singh.
This is our maths lab. This area requires more than 700 square feet, and here one times 40 students can sit at a time.
These are maths lab chart for helping the students for subtraction, division, profit and loss, number system, for triangles, quadrilaterals, convex triangles, and some geometrical concepts, and for mensuration, addition of rational numbers, algebra, multiplication of rational numbers, angles, circle, mensuration, and pair of angles, and also for Roman numeral chart and properties of circle.
So many maths kits are there for the junior students and up to class 12. Here the midpoint quadrilaterals, interlocking cubes, area of rhombus, parallelogram, trapeziums, and the disc and the tent. Here the ascending and descending cubes are there. Here the geoboards and the geometric kits and the geometric steps are there. This is the Pythagoras theorem for the senior, and this is the for the junior students. This is the area of the right angle triangles. All are there. Here the pulses of the marbles and the bigger sets, and this is the cubical identities, and this is the weighing scales, electronic compact disc, and this is the symbols of mathematics. This is the abacus and the triangle key. Here the thermometer, measuring tape, and the geometric box, and here the 3D shape to understand the students. This is the skip counting for the helping graph charts and the multiplication tables, and there are the shapes and the figures, algebraic identities, mathematical symbols, and the numbers chart.
Stock register. This is our stock register. All the materials of the maths lab are entered here.
Lab, and now let us move to our geography lab, and his geography lab in charge, sir, Mr. Rohit Kumar, sir.
Namaste IC members, namaste sir. My name is Rohit Kumar Singh. I am PGT teacher here and also the in charge of this geography lab. The area of this lab is 700 square feet and 40 students can sit together here. Let us see. This is the world physical map. This is India physical map. This is India political map. Now, these are the set of 50 minerals like anthracite, basalt, bauxite. All the minerals in the natural form are here. This is globe. This is the time measurement equipment. It measures the time longitudinally. This is the windmill model. It is the example of non-conventional source of energy. Here it is river action, how rivers form basins and deltas are here. These are the example of rocks, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, igneous rock, soil, sand, rock, red soil, example of wood, and also the iron dust, you can say the red oxide. Now, this is the example of rain gauge. It measures the intensity of rain in a particular area. It is the theodolite model. It measures the elevation and depression of relief. This is globe and this is our solar system. Now, the radio telescope map is here. This is world political map. And now, this is the map of Jharkhand, the political and road map. And this is the energy mix like wind energy, bioenergy, magnetic energy, solar energy. And that's it. Stock register of geography lab. All the stocks are mentioned here. With their previous stock, quantity, rate, quantity delivered, and everything.
Our sports room. Now I am going to introduce our sports room, and he is our sport teacher, Mr. Manjit Gupta, sir.
Namaste, welcome to our sports room. As per the modern norms, our sports room is developed with modern games. In indoor games, we are having carom, chess. In indoor games, we are having carom, chess, ludo, and skipping rope. And for outdoor games, we are having football, volleyball, cricket, badminton, kabaddi, kho-kho, and javelin and discus throw. And we have separate facilities for boys and girls for separate bastu.
This is our computer lab. Now let us move to our computer lab, and they are the in charges of our computer labs.
Members and honorable principal sir, myself Achla Singh, I am a TGT computer teacher, and this is our computer lab. The area is approximately 700 square feet, and approximately 40 students can accommodate all together in this computer lab. And we have all the well-equipped present era computer network We have a computer system over here, and for the further details, meet our honorable senior teacher, computer teacher, Mr. Sudhanshu Kumar Dubey.
Warm regard IEC members and respected principal sir. Myself Sudhanshu Kumar Dubey. My qualification is MCA and I am PhD Computer Science in Sant Mariam Public School. This is a well-equipped computer lab with full access of the internet. We provide a wireless LAN facility in the computer lab. We provide a complete practical-based computer education that is the requirement of the today's technology era. The computer specifications of this lab is one dual-core processor with 1 GB RAM support and 5 GB hard disk. The operating system installed in our system is Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 7, and the software installed in our system is MS Office 2010, Adobe Acrobat Reader 11, Adobe Photoshop CS6, Python IDLE 3.0 and Scratch. Thank you. This is the computer installed in our computer lab. We provide each and every facility to the students and give them a live project on this computer. They are working on the live projects that are required today. This is our stock register. We keep all the records of the hardware and software in this register regularly and check the softwares for their updates.
Room, and here is bed and first aid box. Everything according to need is available here, and he is in charge of the sick room. Thank you.
Visual line.
This is our boys' toilet, and now you can see from inside. Clean urinal system, hand wash. The water purifier for drinking system, 20 liter each, and hand wash also. And it is drinking tap. Girls toilet, and now you can see from inside it is totally neat and clean and hygienic. And now wellness teacher is here, Ma'am Sudha Dubey. For ground section, this is the corridor, and all labs and classrooms are available here. Now this is class 9A, so welcomes you in class 9A, and this is the class teacher of 9A.
Namaste IC members, good morning sir, good morning to our respected principal sir. Myself Amit Jyoti, PGT English. I am an MA English with B.Ed, and present I am the class teacher of class 9A. The 40 students are present. This is our classroom. 40 students can sit in this. but at present the total strength of classroom is 38. Out of this, 18 are girls and 20 are boys.
Section of class 9. So let us move in class 9B. This is the class for remaining classes on first floor. This is our first floor, and 7 to 1. So attend classes for upgradation. This area, class 7 to 1 this side, and now let us move to class 7. She is class teacher of class 7 as a Hindi teacher.
नमस्ते ऐसी मेंबर, मैं निवेदिता पांडे हिंदी अध्यापिका के रूप में पीजीटी के लिए नियुक्त की गई हूँ। मेरी शैक्षणिक योग्यताएं एमए प्लस बीएड है। मैं 5 वर्षों से यहाँ कार्यरत हूँ। हमारी कक्षा में अभी टोटल बच्चों की संख्या 40 है और जिसमें लड़कियों की कुल संख्या 15 है, लड़कों की कुल संख्या 25 है। अभी हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस संचालित कर रहे हैं। बच्चे हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और मैं आगे भी कोशिश करूंगी कि पूरी तरह से अपनी योगदान बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए, बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए अपनी योगदान देती हूँ।
This is the notice board, and we are moving forward for remaining classes. Now welcomes you for class 7. She is the class teacher of class. Let us move to class 5, and she is our class 5 class teacher.
Namaste IC members and principal. So I am Silpa Singh, science teacher. I am class teacher of class 5. Just move in my class. This is very airy and the area is very well occupied. We are having here too many sketches of our previous students who just passed out and became a class 6 student. And because of pandemic, we are taking our online classes, and my students who passed out and became a 6th class student, we are taking online classes. We are taking online classes due to pandemic. The total count of my class is 40. Females are 14, girls students, and the boys are 26. And I am science teacher. I like to study science, and always I like to explain science also. That's why I am science teacher here. Thank you.
For class 4, 3 and 2, and there is one emergency exit. And now we are moving forward for class 1, and this is now we are moving forward for class 1. Says class teacher of class 1, ma'am, Suman ma'am.
Namaste IC members. My name is Suman Kumari and I am working as a primary teacher here, and I am the class teacher of 1A, and as you can see the stages are empty because of pandemic, and we are taking online classes and as you can see here, total strength of the students are 40. Among them, girls are 12 and boys are 28. This is made by our little children. This is made beautifully and done very creatively. They show their creativeness.
The interaction of the teachers, all teaching members gathered here. Sit down, everybody. is the PGT section, and this is the PGT section, and that one the PRT section.
Yes. मेरा नाम, मैं सुधा कुमारी, मैं पीजीटी शिक्षिका। अभी मैं इस स्कूल में 6ठी कक्षा की वर्ग शिक्षिका हूँ और मैंने हिंदी विषय में स्नातकोत्तर के साथ बीएड भी किया है और मैं अपने कार्य अनुभव से इस स्कूल को अपना कीमती और बहुमूल्य समय देते रहूँगी और निरंतर कार्यरत रहूँगी। धन्यवाद।
Yes, myself, S.V. Shah, full name Sasi Bhushan Shah. I am PGT teacher. I am working here before 6 months, and my qualification is MSc B.Ed with botany. Thank you.
Okay, now I am going to introduce from TGT section. Ma'am, please.
Myself Achla Singh. I am a TGT teacher and my qualification is BCA and B.Ed. And I will keep working for the betterment of the school. Thank you.
Next, Sudhanshu sir.
Myself Sudhanshu Kumar Dubey. I am MCA and I am working here as a computer teacher. I am working with the wellness of this school very well. Thank you.
And now I am moving forward for PRT section. From PRT section, yes, Silpi Miss.
I am Silpi Singh, PRT teacher. I am science teacher here. I am working for since 6 months, but I am having experience from the another school of 2 years. Thank you.
And next.
I am PRT teacher of this school and my qualification is BA B.Ed. Thank you.
For documents verification through screen. This is the salary register of the current session. This is the stock register. This is the teachers attendance register of current session. This is the library book and book issue. This is the student attendance register. That is the service book and related documents. This is the NOC file of this school. Next, this is the trust bid file. Next is building safety. Next one is fire safety. Next one is SMC file. Next one is bank salary certificate. And this is the staff salary certificate. And this is the reserve fund. And that's all. Files of school related documents, and till now it was the display of all mandatory norms regarding VIOS as per guidelines of SOP. Thanks. this is our bus facilities. 4 are own and 2 are on rented, and female attendant also along with male attendant. Also the part of our activity. Activity teacher made this presentation, and really it is a very good presentation, that education is a gift that none can take away. And
Namaste sir. Namaste IC member.
here is also it is also a very good creation, problem solving steps. Ma'am can explain this.
Yes, it is the we have made it the full form of a step. S says that say the problem without blame. T says think of solutions, safe and respectful. E says explore consequences, what could happen if. And P for pick the best solution, make your plan. Thank you.